We are learning the Python. So I just show you how to check number is even or odd. So what you do, just make a variable num. Here you put the integers, and after that you want input from the user. So just use the input command. And here I want to put the message. So user read this message, they understand what they do. Enter the numbers. Okay, enter the number. After that I use the condition by using the if loop, if and else. So I just put the condition if num is uh, modulus. This is the modulus symbol. If number is divisible by 2 and remainder will become 0, remainder will become 0. So what the message you print? You just print the message even number. Okay. So even number. If the number is completely divisible, so you have to print even number. Otherwise, you have to write down the number is odd. Okay, so print number is odd. So odd number. Just write down odd number. Okay. Now I want to show you the output, how it is work. I just zoom in. So now I run this code. So he's asking the number. I just fill the 12. So he's saying number is even. Look at here. Now I have to give another number. Suppose I have to give the 7. So he's saying odd number. Okay. So this is the program how to check the even and odd. So if you like this video, please follow to me and we meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.